Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can repost a TikTok video to your TikTok story. So in here, you can just find the video that you want to repost, and then after that, just click on the share button at here at the right side, and then click on that. Then you'll find this is the option add to story. So click on add to story. Just wait until it's finished loading. Okay, so this is the preview of the video that if you want to post into a story, and here you can add tags, stickers, you can also add effects or filter. And here if you don't want to add any of them, you can just click on add to story, and the TikTok video will be reposted to your story. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.